Hey, this video is part of our Vitamix 101 course.
Yeah, you can buy this course where you'll get the recipes, shopping lists, quizzes to test your knowledge, support from us, and lifetime access.
Otherwise, you can keep watching for free on YouTube. Either way, happy blending. Bye.
All right, welcome back to Vitamix 101. I'm Lenny Gale, Life is No Yoke. This is module number 4 of 7. We're talking milkshakes. So far, we've discussed the basics of Vitamix ownership and hopefully gotten a lot better at making green smoothies. Really, this is the foundation of being a Vitamix owner. But let's take blended drinks to the next level and make ourselves a milkshake. So in the previous module, we talked about making green smoothies. And for all intents and purposes, making milkshakes is basically the same. But here's the deal. Sometimes you don't feel like a green smoothie, that citrus flavor. Sometimes you feel like a healthy alternative, but that tastes like chocolate or peanut butter or vanilla or even coffee flavored. Sometimes you want a healthy milkshake. Or maybe you want a protein shake, which are usually better in milkshake form. And for the record, there are few things more motivating while you're at the gym or about to go than a protein shake made in your Vitamix. So with that, let's talk about making milkshakes in your Vitamix. Ones that are healthy, that need just a few ingredients, and that take almost no time. When you're ready, mark this unit complete, and I'll see you over the next one.
Hey guys, it's Shalva Gale with Life is No Yoke. You should see what bottoms we're both wearing under this counter.
Subscribe to our channel and you'll see our bottoms.